Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment. We're here today on this beautiful spring day at 39 Merritt Crescent in Grimsby, Ontario. This fully detached home with attached garage and fully finished basement is only a few minutes walk to schools, parks, Rona, the Supercenter, the GO bus at Casablanca to the QEW and more. Let's go inside and take a closer look at what this home has to offer. Thank you for visiting us at 39 Merritt Crescent in Grimsby. If you would like to book an appointment to view this home, or if you have questions about buying or selling a home in Grimsby, please give me a call. My name is Mark Woehrle, and I can be reached at 905-512-1846. And please watch more of our homes for sale videos on our YouTube channel. We're looking forward to your call.